Birds don't bite.
Oh.
It'll pick you though. Yo, that nigga, he not scared, bro. He just sitting there. Get close to it.
Oh, that thing creepy.
It is kind of creepy, ain't it?
That face is creepy.
I ain't never seen a bird that's not, but don't just fly away. Hey, Tyler, come here. Yo, that nigga chilling. He ain't going nowhere. He ain't moving. Yo, that nigga just chilling right there, bro. Get close to it, BJ.
How close? It's like
I don't know.
as close as you want. Ain't that face crazy?
They usually fly away.
That thing gets scared. Oh, well, that thing's not scared. It's nuts.
Might be a robot. Nah, that's actually insane. I've never seen a bird do this.
I never saw a bird just stay there.
And he looking at you.
I saw a bird just hit his head on the corner and then ran away. But it might be the same one. Probably
Hey,
injured.
tell. He watching you, BJ.
He probably injured.
Tell. You think he injured?
Mm-hmm.
Tell Poopy to come here. What are you doing?
I'm gonna put the flash.
Hurry up and go get him, BJ.
I think he injured because I never thought a bird would just do this unless they injured. I think it's like injured his wings or something. It's not like moving or nothing. It's just chilling there.
Oh, that's crazy.
I wish it would keep. I don't really like a bird in the house. Just love it.
Might be laying. Nah, he ain't laying no eggs. Nigga, look at this bird.
I mean, it's chilling.
Come here.
Walk towards it. Ain't nobody moving.
He ain't gonna move.
It's not even moving, man.
I ain't never seen a bird do this. That's weird.
No.
Alright, move. Yep, there you go. He hopping. What the?
He might be injured. Yeah, he might be injured. He flew away.
Y'all scared it now?